my name is Jeslyn and I'm from Import Export TV. I would like to do some interview with you today if that is okay.
Okay, fine.
Sure, thank you. So the first question is can you please tell me more about your company?
Okay. Emerald Tires is India's largest manufacturer and exporter of industrial tires. When I say industrial tires, these are tires used for material handling applications. We have a state of the art facility in Chennai, India, and we distribute our products around 70 countries around the world. We have our own distribution centers at Belgium to cover Europe and also at Dubai, in addition to Johannesburg. Our present ambition is to expand our operations in Australia, and that's the reason why we are here in this exhibition. And Australia being one of the biggest markets for the forklift tires industry, we would certainly like to grow here. Thank you.
Thank you for that. Can you please also tell me more about what type of customer are you looking at here at CeMAT?
I think we are basically looking at the OEMs of forklift manufacturers and distributors, as well as industrial tire distributors across Australia. And we thought this is the right platform for us to announce ourselves that we have arrived in Australia to help the forklift industry to get high quality tires that India can produce. Thank you.
That's really great. Thank you for that. Can you please tell me what do you think of the exhibition so far?
This exhibition, I think, we are coming for the first time. I think last 2 years we were trying to participate here, but then COVID was there and things were not very conducive. Now, in this year, we have come for the first time, and we personally feel that this market is a very good market for the forklift tires as well as airport and port tires. But it's very important that we establish ourselves here very well so that we can deliver just in time to the forklift industry. And I think we are very confident this export announces our arrival in Australia, and we are extremely glad to be part of this.
Thank you. Really glad to hear about that. Thank you so much for your time today. That's the end of our interview. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.